Hello students, good morning. Welcome to online classes DU Nalgonda. Today we discuss the ninth class biological science chapter 3 animal tissues. Already you know that students, you studied in earlier class also. Animal tissues are mostly four types. They are epithelial tissue and connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Today we discuss the connective tissue. Student, I can ask some questions. You know that epithelial tissue is covering and packs the organs inside and outside of the body. The type of the epithelial tissues, types of how many types of epithelial tissues, what is there, where is located, what is their functions. We already discussed in last class. You know what is connective tissue? It is also one type of animal tissue. Students, they have in this name connective tissue connects with jumping, running, and tilting any side of your body in our body position. Students, if you tilt your body any side of our body position, what will happen? Is there any displacement of internal organs inside of the body? Students, you know that internal organs like that, heart, kidney, lungs, pancreas, stomach, blood vessels, and spleen, and everything is some internal organs are located inside of the body. When you are jumping, running, and tilt your body in any side of our body position, what will happen? Is there any displacement of internal organs? Heart is displacement, lungs is displacement, and kidney is displacement. Is there any displacement, students? There is no displacement. The internal organs located a specific position inside of the body. How? Due to the connective tissue. Connective tissue is connect the muscles and organs. The tissue connect the organs and muscles. This tissue is called connective tissue. But what is the function of connective tissue? How do you know that? Connective tissues are help in binding the other tissues and organs together, provide framework and support to the various organs in body. What is the functioning of connective tissue? You know that these connective tissue connect the organs and muscles. It is helping the binding the other tissues and organs together and provide the framework and support to the various organs in the body. It is not a function. It is not only function. It is have the main function also. It is key role, major role in transport the material from one tissue to another, and it is help in the body defense and storage of the fats and repairing the other tissues. The connective tissues also different types. different connective tissues present in the animal body, they performing the different functions. Now discuss the one by one the connective tissues. First of all, we discuss here areolar tissue. Okay, students. Areolar tissue is one type of connective tissue. Areolar tissue is also one type of connective tissue. It helps in joins the different tissues, which joins the different tissues and help in packing and helps in keep the organs in position. This areolar tissue, what is the function of areolar tissue? Here say that connective tissue have different types of connective tissues. Different connective tissues have the different functions. One type of connective tissue is called areolar tissue. Areolar tissue is one of the connective tissue. It is helping the binding the other tissues and it helps in packing. It helps in packing and helps in keep the organs in place. The areolar tissue has the cells. The cells are called fibroblast cells. The fibroblast cells is the most important component in the areolar tissue. These fibroblast cells secretion the fibrous material. This fibrous material form the fibers. These fibers are mostly made up by fibrous material. This fibrous material form the fibers. The fibers are mostly three types. They are collagen fibers and elastic fibers and reticular fibers. These fibers are formed in the bundles. You know that elastic fibers and some collagen fibers also formed present in the areolar tissue. These are formed by the cells like that fibroblast cells. These fibers are help in the holding the organs in position. Yes. These are help in the repairing the tissues when they are injured. This type of connective tissue attached muscles with bones, muscles with skin. We can see this type of fibrous material, this type of areolar tissues in the surrounding the blood vessels and nerves also. This is the one type of connective tissue, areolar tissue. Areolar tissue is a one type of connective tissue which is helping the different other tissues, and helps in keep the organs in position and packing the organs. The cells are called fibroblast cells. These fibroblasts are secretion the fibrous material. These fibrous materials are formed the fibrous fibers. These fibers are mostly three types. They help in the holding the organs in their original place or position. These tissues also help in the repair of the tissues when they are injured. When they are injured. Next one. Students, here ask one question. You are already practically observed in our surrounding areas also. Why, students, old people shivers in more during the winter season when compared with youngsters? Are you observing your surrounding areas? Our old people like that, our grandfather, grandmother, any others, and observing in the winter season, they are shivers more compared with youngsters. Why, students? Is there any special arrangement is occurred present? Any special arrangement to prevent the escape of heat energy during the winter season? During the winter? Here one question is asked. Why do old people shivers more in winter when compared with youngsters? Is there any special arrangement to prevent the escape of heat energy during the winter? Yes. This is caused to be one type of connective tissue that is called adipose tissue. Adipose tissue present below the skin and between the internal organs. These adipose tissue, these cells are called adipocytes. Adipocytes. The adipocytes are filled with fat globules. Fat globules. So, how to form the fats in our body? When we taken the more amount of food materials or nutrients, the extra nutrients are not used immediately. They converted to the fats. The fats are stored in the adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. This type of adipose tissue present in the aquatic animals like whales, blubber, and another hump in the camel also. Now, what is the function of adipose tissue? The adipose tissue has the adipocytes that have fat globules. They are acting as a thermal insulators. Thermal insulator. They provide the heat in our inside of the body. Okay, students. We discussed here already two. One is the alveolar tissue, one is the adipose tissue. Adipose tissue has the adipocytes. Adipocytes have the fat globules. Fat globules filled with by the adipocytes. They are acting as a thermal insulators. Students, they are asked one question: are all the cells, are all the tissues or cells in our body soft and smooth? If all cells are tissues in our soft and smooth in our body, how is it provide the definite shape of the organisms or animals? Yes. Bone is the one type of connective tissue which is give the definite shape in the vertebrae. Bone. One another connective tissue is called bone. Already we discussed here adipose tissue, alveolar tissue, and adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is located at the behind the skin and between the internal organs. It has cells that is called adipocytes. Adipocytes filled with fatty globules. Fat globules are acting as a thermal insulator. Say they have provide the heat energy inside of the body. Okay, students. Now discuss one another topic. Another connective tissue called bone. You know that bone is a one type of connective tissue. It is hard. It is a formed by the fibers or fibers. Here bones bone is made by the some calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate salts. These are secretion by the bone cells are called osteocytes. Osteocytes. Osteocytes are located at the central portion of the central hollow portion of the bone. That is called bone marrow. Bone marrow. Clear? This is the structure of the bone. The large and middle part of the bone, the hollow portion is present. That is called bone marrow. The structure you observe. The cells are called osteocytes. Osteocytes are located surrounding the aversion canal. Aversion canal. There is no liquid content in this bone tissue. These cells are contain the the structural and functional unit of the bone is called the structural and functional unit of the bone is called osteon. The osteon contain osteocytes, aversion canal, and blood vessels, and nerves, and some calyploids. This is the structural and functional unit of the bone is called osteon. So here the bone is a one type of connective tissue. It gives the definite shape in the vertebrae. It is the major component in the skeletal system in vertebrae, except shark fishes. Except shark fishes. It is made by the salts like the calcium carbonate and calcium phosphate. These are secretion by osteocytes. Osteocytes are located in the central hollow portion of the bone, that is called bone marrow. The structural and functional unit of the bone tissue is called osteon. Osteon is made by the aversion canal and osteocytes and the blood vessels and nerves and connective fibers. Here is the provide definite shape in the vertebrae. It is main components in the skeleton system of the vertebrae. Except shark fishes, all animals vertebrae contain the bones in skeleton system. Okay, students. Now one tissue is also over, bone tissue also. Next one, another tissue is called cartilage. One is cartilage. Cartilage. Okay, friends. Cartilage is also one type of connective tissue. Yes, it is present. Bones, joints, bones. Here, clearly observe here. Cartilage is also one type of connective tissue. It is present at bones, joints. It is present at the joints and tip of the nose, tip of the ribs. For example, ribs are attached with the sacrum or vertebrae. The tip of the ribs, the tip of the nose, and external ear and our trachea. These all are made up by the cartilage. Cartilage is mostly present in joints of the bone also. Cartilage is the one of the important skeletal component in the shark fishes. In embryos of the several vertebrae, in embryos of the several vertebrae contain here cartilage. Cartilage is the one of the important component in the shark fishes. In embryos of several vertebrae, do not have the bone, that have the only cartilage. Okay, students. Cartilage is a hard substance, but not has bone. When compared with the bone, it is not more hard to compare with bones, but it is not. It is a hard components. Okay, students. This is the one type of connective tissue. Students, one question here asked: how two bones are connected at the joints? You know that bones are connected with joints. How two bones are connected at the joints? Yes, the two bones are connected at joints because of ligaments. Because of ligaments. Ligaments also one type of connective tissue. One type of connective tissue. It is made up by, they also made up by collagen fibers. Collagen fibers is made up by collagen proteins. These are connected the two bones. These are connected the two bones and holding their original position, helping the moving of the bones. Yes, what is ligaments? Ligament is one of the connective tissue. It is present at the joints of two bones. It is made up by the collagen fibers. It is holding the bones, two bones in their original position, helping the movement of the bones. Okay, students. It is these are a very elastic nature. Ligament is a very elastic nature. Students, we know that our body movement is our body is our body movement is because of muscles connect with bones. Muscles are connected with bones by one type of connective tissue that is called tendon. That is called tendon. Tendon is one type of connective tissue which connect with bones and muscles. They are helping the movement of they are helping body movements. So tendon is one type of connective tissue which is also made up by the fibers. The tendon joins the muscles and bones. These are helping the movement of the body. So students, today one topic is completed, not completed, but connective. What is connective tissue? They are connecting the connective tissues are connect to the other tissues, muscles, muscles in our inside of the inside of the body or internal organs. These are areolar tissue. These are adipose tissue. These are bones. These are cartilage. These are ligaments. These are tendons. Students, are you know that blood is also one type of connective tissue? Are you agree? Yes, blood is also one type of connective tissue, but it is called fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. We discuss the what is blood, which components are present in the blood, what are the plasma, blood cells, how many types of blood cells, what are the RBC, what are the WBC, what are the platelets, how many blood groups in human beings. The total information we discuss the next class, students. Thank you. One question is a question asked in your exam purpose. What is the tendon? What is the ligaments? And what is cartilage? Where is it present cartilage tissue? Which tissues give the definite shape in vertebrae or animals? So any question can ask from this topic. So dear students, please do the practice and write the answers. Thank you students. Thank you.